Hello everyone, welcome to Irfan CFPS. Today we are diving into the elitefire hydraulic calculation software. This tool is essential for selecting fire pumps in various projects from power plants, banks and commercial buildings to seaports, residential buildings, aircraft hangars, warehouses, airports and chemical plants. With just the software, a calculator and a pen, we will see how elitefire simplifies complex hydraulic calculations for achieving optimal design. Please check the link in the description for my previous manual hydraulic calculation videos. So let's get started. After installing elitefire on our PC, we can access the program through the elitefire icon on our desktop. Once elitefire is launched, we will notice various options at the top left corner of the window. Any existing projects we have worked on will appear on the left side of our screen. In order to begin a new project, simply select File and click New as shown on your screen. After creating a new project, the displayed screen will present project data, client data, company data, building data and system data. Afterwards, we will need to input project details such as the project name, engineer name who is conducting the calculations, date, code references such as nfpa, etc., approval agency name and any comments if necessary. It's important to note that these details are for reference only and won't affect the calculations. Also ensure to include client details including their address. Now we need to input all the details of the company conducting the hydraulic calculations. Next, input building data, end user details and the address. This step is crucial. Enter system data which includes hose allowances, occupancy hazard classification with the area of design operation, type of system whether it is wet or dry, flow test data related to the hydrants, primary discharge type whether the discharge is from the sprinkler or hose, and all the sprinkler details such as temperature rating, orifice size, K factor of the sprinkler, model and make we need to enter into the system data. We will address all these specifics as we perform hydraulic calculations for sprinkler and hose systems. We have completed entering the general project data and now it's time to input or edit pipe data based on the isometric diagram prepared considering the most hydraulically remotest design area. Clicking on the pipe data will bring up this screen. Comprehensive details will be covered in upcoming sessions. In the project data section, we can view a summary of the details entered in the Enter or Edit Pipe Data window. Lastly, within the Tools section, we have the option to set either US or SI units. elitefire already includes an extensive list of pipe schedules in its built-in library. However, we also have the flexibility to add our own pipe schedules and fittings including nominal pipe sizes and inner diameters to the library as you can see on your screen. We can compute the K factor for sprinkler, hydrant or hose if we know the required minimum residual pressure and flow rate at the remotest sprinkler or hydrant or hose connection. Furthermore, if we have knowledge of any two parameters among residual pressure, flow rate and K factor, we can deduce the third parameter. The fire pump database can be edited by accessing the tool Edit Pump Database. Here we can specify the selected fire pump's rated flow and pressure. We can specify the fire pump's 100% rated flow and pressure. And also we can mention pressure at 0 flow and the pressure at 150% flow in compliance with nfpa 20 requirements. Further details will be covered in upcoming sessions, so please make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to get more updates.